She was hosting a party this weekend, but the pool, it looked like a swamp with trust issues. So she turned to her phone and said, "Hey Siri, find a pool cleaning service near me." And then, Siri picked someone, just not someone qualified. Steve showed up in cargo shorts and brought a pool noodle. This could have been your job, but your business didn't show up first. You see, smart assistants don't choose the best service. They choose the most optimized. Most business owners don't know that smart devices use different data sources than Google. If you're not optimized for voice, you're invisible to voice-driven customers. Go to getvocalseek.com and get your free powerful digital scan. We'll run a full visibility audit using AI-powered tools to show you exactly how your business ranks for voice search. It's available 24/7 as a free download. You'll receive a personalized report showing you how your business currently ranks, and what steps we take to improve your listings across all platforms. If the report shows that you're not fully optimized, stats show that 92% of businesses aren't. You can choose to get started for just a one-time setup fee of $297, and then $19.99 per month, which averages just $1.47 a day over a one-year period, month to month. No long-term contracts, cancel anytime. We'll list you on Amazon Alexa, Apple Siri, Google Assistant, Samsung Bixby, and Microsoft Copilot. Over 50% of people use voice assistants daily, especially to find local services. Being listed improves your chances of getting found and chosen by new customers. Don't lose pool jobs to guys with noodles and vibes. Be heard, be found, be booked. Don't be one of the 92%. Join the 8% while you can. Go to getvocalseek.com for your free report, then it's just $1.47 a day to get optimized for a year. How much is just one new client worth to you? What about one per month, or one per week? You can't even get one cup of coffee these days for that. So hurry on over to getvocalseek.com today. You'll be glad you did.